Hey there, it's Elizabeth, and welcome back to another Ramble session. So, I hope y'all are doing well. I hope you all in the US had a lovely Thanksgiving. I have since posted a video, or two or three, I don't know, after Thanksgiving. So, you all know about my Thanksgiving. Yes, we had just a very relaxing time at home. Two kids were here, and so it was just, very nice. I've been going through my November book because, excuse me, a lot of it is not done. Okay, I have a few pages that are done. I have some that have stuff on them. Pages that have a lot of stuff on them, all of that jazz. And then we went on a short vacation up to our new place, but we were actually staying at our in-laws. So that was really nice. My sister-in-law and one of her sweet daughters was with her. So we got to visit with them. So yeah, we were up there for a few days, trying to, print out photos and get some, pages done. You will coming up, or maybe coming up, I will have some journal with me videos. I also have started on doing my Christmas portion and of my journal, or not my Christmas portion, my December portion. Okay, this right here is a sweet little printable from Emmy Lou Arts. And if you go to her YouTube channel, which I'll have linked below, you can join her YouTube channel for like 99 cents a month or something. And then you get access to her Facebook group where she does these really cute images on Procreate, and has a link to where you can print them out, and they are just adorable. So this is going to be my opening page. This is actually like just a paper bag that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I cut it up, put some little ribbons, on it, and that's going to be my opening page. And then what I did was I went through, and this will be coming up in a video, I went through a Balsam Hill magazine, and these are going to be my pockets and tucks for my December journal. I go very plain in the month of December. Even though my month of December isn't all that busy, it will be busier at work, more so than at home. And yeah, so my pages are quite plain. I just need to glue in my tuck spots and my pockets and put little notches and all that kind of stuff. But that's what I do. I go through the Balsam Hill magazine and I pick out images that I enjoy, that are beautiful, that are very festive. I cut them out and I, assemble them. So that will be coming. I'll do this along with you. Excuse me. And yeah, so I have like little tuck spots or belly bands or whatever. I do very minimal decoration in my December book just because, it's just a busy month, so I want to be able to just come in here in the morning before work, jot down the things that I did the day before, and call it macaroni. I do not do a December daily. Honestly, guys, I barely have time to come in here, obviously, and do journaling, on a daily basis anyway. So, yeah, the month of November has been not productive in the way of journaling. So that's what I've been working on over the holiday week that we've had. We've had a few days off. I can't remember. I don't know. We got off on like a Friday. So we had we worked on Friday. So we had Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Yeah, so we had 9 days off, which was very nice. Is that right? I don't even know. Anyway, so we did go, like I said, we went up to our new place, and we had a very nice time. We watched the sunrise on the last day we were there. our weather has changed a little bit. It was super rainy when we first got there, and then it cleared up for like a day. We did some home shopping for the new place because we're not really sure if we're going to rent it or not during the time that we're not there. Because, well, if you're new here, welcome. And if you've been following along, yes, my husband and I are we are moving in the summer. So, excuse me. Yeah, so we're doing that, and we already have a place. We closed on it a few weeks ago. I can't remember when. And yeah. So we just got, like the basics, like hand towels for the kitchen, and we got a set of pots and pans for the kitchen, and we got silverware and all that kind of, just basic necessities. And yeah, so that was nice. It was fun, and really looking forward to moving. Really, I wish I could move tomorrow. But and then also coming up in videos as well. This is just going to be like a coming up in the videos video, I guess. I have gone through my sticker collection. I am starting to declutter. So yeah, that'll be coming up. I hope you enjoy that video, as well as some journal with me's where I don't journal at all videos, and also setting up my December portion of my book, which I'll probably have like a separate playlist for that. I don't even know, because what I do intend on doing is I got these numbers from Job's journal, and I'll put his link below. I glitter Mod Podge them because I love doing that, thanks to AJ's Inspired Life. So these are the dates that I'm going to use for December. And I think what I'm going to do is just make little clusters, just out of my bits and scraps of paper. Use up your scraps. And I will make just very, very simple, not too elaborate, date things, for my December portion. Like I said, I just want to get my December portion all set up so that I don't have to worry about it, that it's just done. And like I said, I go very simple on it. I have tucks and pockets, and then I use notepad papers, Christmas notepad papers, to write my notes on. And it's easy peasy, simple, stress-free journaling for the month of December. And so that's what I'm going to do. And I will most likely bring you guys along. We only have a few days left. Oh my gosh. It's already the 28th of November, and then we're pretty much done. I go back to work tomorrow, which I'm not thrilled about, but it is what it is. Yeah, and what else have I been doing? Not much else, I have to tell you. Not much else. I have had a bit of time in my room during the break when I got back from being out of town, so that was fun. I'm looking around. I've got I don't even know. I want to de-stash or declutter my washi drawers, and I'll probably bring you guys along for that. I'll probably have a decluttering playlist as well, because as I go through this room, yeah, I just thought, I don't know, maybe I'll show you what is in store. I have really given it some thought as to what I'm going to take with me and what is staying behind here, not staying behind, but is going away to a new home, because as I look around, yeah, my craft room, which I am so grateful and thankful that I will have a designated craft room up where we're moving to, it is about probably half the size of the room that I'm in right now. And let's just face it, over the years, I have amassed a huge collection of stuff, and I don't need to take it all with me. So I've really given some thought as to what are, the handful of things that I really enjoy doing. And those are the things that I am going to keep. All of the rest is going away. So yeah, I've been working on that. Working on that slowly but surely. And my 5 sections, which you'll hear about in upcoming videos, but my 5 sections are crochet, which I love to do, and I'm really, really looking forward to getting back into it. So my crochet, my art supplies consisting of like watercolor, water soluble crayons, colored pencils, chalk pencils, you know, that type of thing. And so I'm probably going to allot myself like 1 copy box per, well, not for the yarn. Okay. That's just insane. Okay. That's just crazy talk, Elizabeth. Yeah. Cause my yarn is not going to fit into a copy box, but my art supplies, I do believe will. My journaling supplies, which, you know, for this type of thing, you know, which is going to consist of like a few bit boxes and a box of stickers, and not a copy box, but like, you know, a storage box that will fit into the copy box. My scrap papers, my inks, some of my stamps, you know, all these things I need to go through. Of course, my little dauber things have to come with me. So that's another section, is my daily journaling supplies, which I'm going to severely whittle down. And then, what else? And then like junk journal supplies, which is going to probably be the biggest amount, I would think. Of course, a lot of these things overlap, you know, like the glue and the adhesives and the tools and, well, rubber stamps for one, you know, because I can use rubber stamps in here, or I can use them in the making of journals, you know, that kind of thing. So yeah, some of those things are going to overlap. We'll see how it goes, but I'm hoping to bring you guys along for that ride. It should be a bumpy one, if you ask me. I'm not looking forward at all to packing up this room. I'm also, of course, I'm going to have to get like a big giant tub for my journals, because of course I am taking my journals, not leaving home without them. And then, yeah, you know, I don't know. We'll see how it goes, but there are a lot of things that I no longer need. And I was watching some videos about decluttering and all of that stuff, and they were quite interesting. In the upcoming videos, you'll have links to those videos. So yeah, just I don't know how to explain it. Like just focusing on the things that I need right now, you know, and really having a think about, I don't know, like I don't need to keep everything, you know what I'm saying? I'm sure you guys can relate. So yeah, I'm going through that right now, like what I want to keep, what I'm willing to let go, things that have expired literally and figuratively, you know, and so I don't need all of the stuff that I've accumulated over the years, because a lot of that stuff I do not use anymore. So it will be going to, you know, hopefully bless somebody else who loves to craft. So that's where I'm at right now. Yeah, just trying to work in my book, trying to get my December done so that I don't have to worry about that anymore. I'm going to hopefully work on that today and get it done. And then just slowly going back through my November and filling in notes where I remember what happened. I've been horrible about keeping notes on my phone. I used to be so great about doing it, and I have not been doing it at all. So yeah, some pages will get done and some won't, and that's okay with me. That's fine. I do need to make a new book for next year already, so I'm gonna try to do that. I mean, a lot of things on the plate, creatively speaking, you know. So yeah, a lot of that's going on. Yeah. Other than that, I mean, you know, I've just been busy, you know, trying to declutter, trying to all of that, you know, seeing what I need, what I don't need. Yeah, and that's just been my life lately. So like I said, I've been in here doing a little bit of journaling, getting some pages done. You'll see these coming up soon. Yeah, but other than that, just doing my thing, doing what I can when I can, and I'm really trying not to worry about it. Which worry is not the right word. I'm really trying hard to just let it go. Like if it gets done, it gets done. And if it doesn't, it doesn't. I still need to do some flip throughs for you. I think I left off on September. So I need to finish up flip throughs from September and October, which are really half-assed, I don't know how else to explain it, flip throughs, because a lot of my pages are not done. And yeah, working full time and trying to journal is very difficult. And kudos to all of you that do it and do it on a regular basis. I think it's fabulous and I think it's wonderful. It's just been super difficult for me, but I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try. That's all I can do. And yeah, so that's what's been going on. Be sure to check out my upcoming videos. I have, like I said, I'll have flip throughs coming up. I'll have some journal with me where I don't journal at all videos. I'll have some destashing videos, and I'll have some holiday Christmas videos. And I have to warn you, the very first one is very Scrooge-like. Okay, so just putting that out there, but. But I had fun making it. And anyway, so yeah, I hope y'all had a great holiday, vacation if you had one, or just, the people in the US celebrating Thanksgiving. Yeah, I'm very thankful and grateful for each and every one of you. I'm of course thankful for my beautiful family and the time that we got to spend together over the time that my daughter and I had off. And yeah, just gonna try to work on things a little bit at a time. I'm sorry that this is so short and rather boring, I have to say. There are a lot of things that I need to work on. Time to sit in here and get some pages done and journal. And of course, like I said, I want to really set myself up for not failure in December. So I want to get that done, and I'm hoping to bring you all along for that. So give you a few tips and tricks and ideas on, maybe making your holiday season a little less hectic as far as journaling goes. Yeah, that's what's coming up. So I hope you will join me. I hope you will stick around. And, if you want to see all those things, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can get notified the next time a video comes out. I appreciate all your loving kindness, all of your support, and I really do appreciate your sweet comments. I really do. And I love going through them every morning. So yeah, have a great rest of your day, guys, and have a wonderful, wonderful week ahead. I am off to call Grandma. It is about that time in the morning now. Yes, it is. I've got to call her, or she'll be wondering where I'm at. So thank you so much for joining me. Yeah, stay tuned, and I hope you join me in the upcoming videos. So yeah, have a great day, have a great week, and I'll talk to y'all real soon. Bye for now.